Hello guys, you're welcome back. Today we are going to teach you how to use voice note or audio on Google Form with Mote. This is a Google Form that we set up the last time that we used to teach how to add timer to Google Form. If you've not watched that video, I will add it at the description. So with this form, we are going to add audio to this form so that I can ask questions and the students will respond with audio. To install Mote plugin, first of all, you sign up on Mote. This mote.com. So I'm signing up with my Google account. Yeah. I choose educator because I'm educator. The next thing is to install this extension. Click on install extension, add to Chrome, add extension. So it has been added to your Chrome. Now when you refresh your Google Form, you will notice this Mote icon on all the questions. For example, let's drop voice notes with this right up here. Just click on the mute icon. How old is Java? Click on the mute icon again. Which of these is a computer brand? HP or Hello? Click on the mute icon. What is your sex? Female? Prefer not to say, or male? So to preview, you can see that the voice note is attached to this question. How old is Java? Which of these is a computer brand? HP or Hello? What is your sex? Female? Prefer not to say, or male? And the user can also answer this question using voice note. Java is 27 years old. As you can see, it has collected that audio, that voice note as the answer of this question. If I go back to the response, I'm seeing two responses, individual. Now look at the voice note the user answered. So I can play it and listen to what the user said. Now you see that you can add voice notes, you can add audio to your Google Form. If there is anything you did not understand, please put it on the comment box. If there is anything you want us to discuss, put it on the comment box. Please remember to share and like our video. Remember to subscribe to our Academic Technology channel. We hope to continue serving you better.